Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2008 Sterling Bullet. Obviously, if you can't tell, it's a Dodge Ram 5500. They made these, I think, in the 08 and 9, maybe 10. All the difference between this and a Dodge Ram is the name on the grill, the emblems on the side. Everything else, exact same thing as a Dodge Ram 5500. This truck is a one-owner truck. It belonged to Cummins in California. It's got 195,000 miles on it. It's really clean. If you've watched my videos, you've probably heard me say 100 times that all the trucks out in California are always nice and clean and well kept. This one's no exception. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got an 11-foot body on it. It has a VMAC air compressor. It has an oil evacuation pump on it. Walk around and show it to you. There. This seat had already been recovered when we bought the truck. I guess the previous owner had it recovered. This isn't an exact match to the passenger side, but it saved us from having to do it. Backup camera, power windows, power locks, cold AC. Obviously a California truck, so no rust. Bed's in really nice shape. We don't repaint the inside of the boxes. That's the paint that's on it, the original paint. Spot here in those doors. Vise. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852, or text. You can visit our website, heavymetalauto.com. If you're interested in shipping this truck, we can ship it straight to your door, probably around $1.50 a mile on this truck. It's not super heavy, or it doesn't have a crane or anything like that. So if you decide to go that route, we're a dispatcher, so what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board, and we'll wait for somebody to call and pick it up. Could be the moment you send us the money, and it could be 7 days. I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pick it up. If you got to know that, you got to come pick it up yourself in person. You're welcome to do that. We're here Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. Fridays we close at 3:30. If you decide to come pick it up in person, you got to bring cash, do a cashier's check, or do a wire transfer. It has to be a certified check. If you bring a check, we can't take a check on your personal name. It has to be certified funds. All right, I guess that's about it. Again, it's a 2008 Sterling Bullet, 195,000 miles on it. Two-wheel drive, really nice California truck. Said it belonged to Cummins. They keep them up, keep them serviced. Just a really clean truck. All right, thanks for watching.